What treatment that you can do when you are a cosmetic surgeon? You can do nose job.
Yeah, every day I do nose job more than 5 patients.
Oh yeah?
Every day, yeah.
Facelifting?
Facelifting sometimes.
You can do it?
Yeah, once in a month.
Breast?
Breast, yeah, not much, but it's a hospital.
But you can you can do it in your clinic.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, Botox lift, all the things.
What is double eyelid?
Double eyelid, yeah, every day.
Yeah. Oh, what? Jawline?
Yeah. Bone surgery.
Bone surgery.
Bone surgery. I don't do bone surgery, only the zygomatic sometimes, but I'm not specialist here.
You can do it.
Yeah, you can. I can do it in low, no problem.
Oh, in low, no problem.
Yeah, it's a
so
difference.
What is the difference? Cosmetic surgeon and plastic surgeon?
No difference. But people, the patient believe there's a plastic surgery society. The plastic surgery specialist, they can search. Oh, for example, Dr. Chun search. Oh, he's not a plastic surgery specialist, but he's doing the cosmetic surgeries, blah blah blah. They search the result. Oh, it's good. They come or they choose.
Okay.
Yeah. Only that. Yeah. Not the in-law, nothing.